Hello kids! How are you today? I hope you're well, safe and healthy. Today we are going to talk about the bodies of water in Spain. So when we talk about bodies of water, we must talk about seas, oceans, rivers or lakes. So let's start talking about the different seas and oceans that surround the Iberian Peninsula. As you can see here in this map, we have the Cantabrian Sea in the north of Spain. In the east, we have the Mediterranean Sea. And in the west, we can find the Atlantic Ocean. So let's repeat again. In the north, the Cantabrian Sea. In the east, the Mediterranean Sea. And in the west, the Atlantic Ocean. Now let's talk a little bit about the rivers. There are plenty of rivers in the Iberian Peninsula, but in this map we are going to talk about the most important 8. As you can see, in the north, in the Galician community, we find River Miño. This one is Duero River. That's another important one. This is Tajo River. You can see that it's very long. Another important river in Spain is Guadiana River. In the south of Spain, we find as well Guadalquivir River. And now let's move to the east of the Iberian Peninsula. We can find Segura River, that is not very long, Júcar River, and Ebro River. Tajo River is the longest river in the Iberian Peninsula. And Ebro River is the one that carries the biggest quantity of water. Now we are going to talk about some important words you must learn when we are talking about rivers. Look carefully at this picture. As you can see, there are 2 words here, one that is called the source and another one that is called the mouth. The source of a river is the place where the river starts. It usually starts in the mountains. And the mouth of a river is the place where the river ends. When it is a very important river, the mouth is normally a sea or an ocean, like this one. But sometimes when we have smaller rivers like this, the mouth can be the place where it flows into another main river. And another important word that you are seeing here is the word tributaries. Tributaries are smaller rivers, like these ones, that usually flow into a main river. So most of the most important rivers in the Iberian Peninsula have as well important tributary rivers. You can investigate them at home with mom and dad. And now we are going to see some examples of the most important rivers in Spain, saying where is the place where they start and the place where they end. I mean the source and the mouth of the rivers. For example, if we take Duero River, we can see that the source is in the area of Castilla León, in the community of Castilla León. And the mouth is in the Atlantic Ocean, at the city of Porto, or Porto in Spanish. If we talk a little bit about Tajo River, we can see that the source is Aragon. And the mouth is as well in the Atlantic Ocean, at the city of Lisbon, Lisboa in Spanish, in Portugal. If we have a look at Guadiana River, we can see that the source is in the community of Castilla-La Mancha, and the mouth is in the Atlantic Ocean, at the region of Huelva. Guadiana River, as you can see, in some parts, is a natural border between Spain and Portugal. Let's talk a little bit about Guadalquivir River. As you can see, the source is in Andalusia, and the mouth is in the Atlantic Ocean, at the region of Cádiz. And if we talk a little bit about Ebro River, we can see that the source is in Cantabria, and the mouth is in the Mediterranean Sea at the city of Tarragona. So remember these two words that we have learned in this video. The source, in Spanish, nacimiento, and the mouth, in Spanish, desembocadura. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.